Next question number 12. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove that a plus ar square plus etc. plus a r raised to n minus 1 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. Sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression with the first term a and a common ratio r. അത് 11ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ജിയോമെട്രിക് പ്രോഗ്രഷൻ എന്നൊരു സീക്വൻസ് പഠിക്കാനുണ്ട്. അതിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാനിരിക്കുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. പക്ഷേ ഈ ഫോർമുല തന്നിട്ട് അത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ മാത്തമാറ്റിക്കൽ ഇൻഡക്ഷൻ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് അത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും. നോക്കാം. യു ഹാവ് റിട്ടൺ ദി സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് പി ഓഫ് എൻ such that a plus ar square plus etc. plus ar raised to n minus 1 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1 for all n belongs to capital N. Now P of 1, step 1, test whether it is true for n equals 1. A first step is equal to a into r raised to n means r raised to 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here n is written as the power. Here also r minus 1 and r minus 1 got cancelled. A equals a, that is true. Then we shall assume that this statement is true for k. We have written it. P of k is equal to a plus ar square plus etc. plus a r raised to k minus 1. Instead of n minus 1, we have written k minus 1 is equal to a into r raised to k minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here also replaced n by k. That is what we assume. Then we shall examine whether it is true for k plus 1, the next natural number. That is p of k plus 1 such that the p of k ഇവിടെ വരെ അത് എഴുതി. ഇനി we are replacing k by k plus 1. A r raised to k is replaced by k plus 1. K plus 1 minus 1. So that will be equal to a r raised to k. Now the last term is a r raised to k. Then the result must be, we have to replace this k by k plus 1, a into r raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Now the portion from this term to a r raised to k minus 1 reduces to a into r raised to k minus 1 by r minus 1. How it is? So assumed. നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇവിടം വരെയുള്ളതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഇതാണ്. a into r raised to k minus 1 by r minus 1. The remaining is only this term. Now LCM r minus 1, multiply the second term by r minus 1, then expanding a into r raised to k, a into r raised to k minus a into minus 1 minus a into r raised to k into r, a into r raised to k into r means r raised to 1. So this can be written as a r raised to k plus 1. That is why it is a r raised to k plus 1. A r raised to k and minus a r raised to k, they got cancelled. Remaining is a into r raised to k plus 1 minus a by r minus 1. Now a is common, a into r raised to k plus 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. That is what we require. On the right hand side, the result we want to obtain is a into r raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. It is obtained here. Therefore, we can conclude that the statement is true for all natural numbers by steps 1, 2 and 3. Right.